You're here watching this video for one reason, and that is your interior looks bad. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a good looking interior that's cost effective and super easy to do. Hey everybody, welcome back to Center for Customs. I'm going to be showing you step by step how I turned my dash from this into this. The first step is going to be to mask off any vents or badges that you don't want to paint over. I'm going to prep wash my entire dash. As you see, the dash is all masked up. I'm going to give it a base layer of paint. I recommend doing that just so you don't have any light spots when you do your second layer, which is the layer you put all your glitter on. I'm just going to throw on my second coat now and put on my glitter. I've just gone with like this black glitter. I think it looks pretty neat. I just got it from a craft store, but yeah. Make sure you give it a medium coat, not a light coat, just so you have a base to actually put the glitter onto.
Here we go.